From a distance, Venus shines brightly in our night sky, a beacon of hope and beauty. Its radiant glow has inspired countless myths and stories throughout human history. Ancient civilizations often associated Venus with love and beauty, naming it after their deities. But as we peer closer, the true nature of Venus reveals itself, shattering these romantic illusions. It's often called Earth's twin, similar in size and composition. Both planets are rocky and share a similar structure with a core, mantle, and crust. However, the similarities end there. While Earth has oceans, forests, and a breathable atmosphere, Venus is a stark contrast. But don't let the celestial glow fool you. Venus harbors a dark secret, a cautionary tale hidden beneath its swirling clouds. These clouds are not made of water vapor like on Earth, but of sulfuric acid, creating a hostile environment that is both toxic and corrosive. While Earth teems with life, Venus simmers in a toxic, scorching embrace. The planet's surface temperature is hot enough to melt lead, and its atmosphere is thick with carbon dioxide, creating a runaway greenhouse effect. This is a world of extremes, where the very air itself could crush you. The atmospheric pressure on Venus is about 92 times that of Earth's at sea level, equivalent to the pressure found 900 meters underwater in Earth's oceans. The surface of Venus is a desolate wasteland, hotter than a pizza oven. Volcanic plains stretch as far as the eye can see, and mountains taller than Everest pierce the thick, hazy atmosphere. Its atmosphere, a thick shroud of carbon dioxide, traps heat with relentless efficiency. This greenhouse effect has spiraled out of control, making Venus the hottest planet in our solar system. Imagine the pressure of being submerged half a mile beneath the ocean. The crushing weight would be unbearable, yet this is the daily reality on Venus. That's a typical day on Venus. The planet's harsh conditions make it an inhospitable world, a stark reminder of the delicate balance required to sustain life. This extreme pressure and heat make Venus the hottest planet in our solar system, even hotter than Mercury, which orbits closer to the Sun. Venus serves as a powerful example of how planetary conditions can diverge dramatically, even among celestial neighbors. Venus's atmosphere is a runaway greenhouse effect in action. On Earth, the greenhouse effect is a natural process, trapping some of the sun's heat and keeping our planet habitable. But Venus took a wrong turn. Its atmosphere, composed almost entirely of carbon dioxide, acts like a thick blanket, trapping heat and sending temperatures soaring to an incredible 900 degrees Fahrenheit. Imagine trying to breathe in this oppressive heat. You couldn't. The air on Venus is so dense it would feel like trying to swim through molasses. This crushing atmospheric pressure, 90 times that of Earth's, would be enough to crush most spacecraft, let alone a human being. It's a hostile environment, unforgiving and relentless. Looking up from the scorching surface of Venus, you wouldn't see a clear blue sky. Instead, you'd be greeted by a thick, yellowish haze that blankets the entire planet. This haze is so dense that it obscures the sun, casting a perpetual twilight over the landscape. The sky is filled with clouds that are not like the ones we see on Earth. These aren't your typical rain clouds that bring refreshing showers. Instead, these clouds are composed of sulfuric acid, a highly corrosive substance that can burn through skin and metal. Imagine the most acidic lemon you've ever tasted, then multiply that sourness by 1,000,000. Venus is shrouded in these sulfuric acid clouds, creating an environment that is incredibly hostile to life as we know it. The acid is so potent that it would dissolve any spacecraft that tried to land on the surface. And if you thought acid rain on Earth was bad, Venus takes it to a whole new level. Here, sulfuric acid does rain down from the sky, but it never reaches the ground. The intense heat of Venus's surface, which can reach up to 900 degrees Fahrenheit, vaporizes the droplets long before they land. This creates a phenomenon known as virga, where rain falls from the clouds but evaporates before it can touch the ground. It's a rain of fire that never quite quenches the thirst of this parched planet. The surface remains dry and barren, a stark contrast to the stormy skies above. The phenomenon of virga is not unique to Venus. It can also be observed on Earth, particularly in desert regions. However, on Venus, it is a constant occurrence due to the extreme temperatures. This relentless cycle of evaporation and condensation creates a hellish environment where the rain never reaches the ground, and the surface remains an inhospitable wasteland. Venus, with its sulfuric acid clouds and disappearing rain, is a planet of extremes, a true testament to the harsh realities of our solar system. While the lowlands of Venus bake under a relentless sun, the planet's highest peaks hold a strange secret metallic frost. Yes, you read that right. Frost on a planet hot enough to melt lead. This isn't your typical water-based frost though. Instead, it's believed to be composed of metallic compounds like lead sulfide and bismuth sulfide that condense out of the atmosphere at higher altitudes. Imagine scaling these towering peaks, the air thick with sulfuric acid, only to find yourself crunching through a layer of metallic snow. It's a bizarre juxtaposition, a testament to the extreme and often contradictory nature of this enigmatic world. Venus's atmosphere isn't just hot and dense, it's also incredibly dynamic. Winds whip around the planet at speeds that would make a hurricane look like a gentle breeze. These winds, driven by the intense heat and the planet's rapid rotation, can reach speeds of over 220 miles per hour, faster than the speed of sound on Earth. Imagine being caught in these supersonic winds, your body buffeted and tossed like a leaf in a tornado. These winds play a crucial role in shaping Venus's climate, distributing heat and driving the planet's global weather patterns. They are a force to be reckoned with, a testament to the raw power of nature. Section 6. Above the Inferno. Could we survive in Venus's upper atmosphere? While the surface of Venus remains a no-go zone for humans, some scientists have proposed a rather radical idea: colonizing the Venusian clouds. High above the scorching surface at an altitude of around 30 miles, temperatures and pressures are surprisingly Earth-like. In this sweet spot, humans could potentially survive within specially designed airships, floating above the inferno below. Imagine living in a floating city above Venus, the sulfuric acid clouds swirling below. It's a wild idea, but one that highlights the ingenuity and adaptability of the human spirit. While colonizing Venus remains a distant dream, it forces us to think outside the box and imagine new possibilities for human exploration. Section 7. Venus, a mirror to our future, the importance of studying our neighbor. Venus may seem like a distant and alien world, but it holds valuable lessons for us here on Earth. Scientists believe that Venus may have once been a much more hospitable place, perhaps even harboring oceans of liquid water. But over billions of years, a runaway greenhouse effect transformed Venus into the scorching hellscape we see today. By studying Venus, we can learn about the delicate balance of our own planet's climate and the potential consequences of unchecked greenhouse gas emissions. Venus serves as a stark reminder that even the most Earth-like planets can undergo dramatic transformations, highlighting the importance of protecting our own fragile environment. Section 8. Missions to the Morning Star, Unlocking Venus's Secrets. Despite its harsh conditions, Venus continues to beckon us, its mysteries waiting to be unraveled. Space agencies around the world are planning new missions to study this enigmatic planet, hoping to unlock the secrets of its past and present. These missions will use advanced radar to peer through the thick clouds, mapping the surface in unprecedented detail. Imagine the excitement of receiving data from these missions, piecing together the puzzle of Venus's evolution. By studying Venus, we can gain a deeper understanding of planetary formation, atmospheric science, and the search for life beyond Earth. Section 9. Reflections from a Hostile World. What Venus teaches us about ourselves. Venus, our celestial neighbor, offers us a glimpse into both the beauty and the fragility of our universe. This enigmatic planet, often called Earth's twin due to its similar size and composition, is shrouded in thick clouds of sulfuric acid, hiding its secrets beneath a veil of mystery. Its surface, a scorching landscape of volcanic plains and towering mountains, is a testament to the dynamic and violent forces at play. It reminds us that even in the vastness of space, there are places of unimaginable hostility where life as we know it would be impossible. The extreme conditions on Venus, with temperatures hot enough to melt lead and crushing atmospheric pressure, serve as a stark contrast to the life-sustaining environment of Earth. These harsh realities force us to reflect on the delicate balance that makes our own planet habitable, but it also serves as a powerful reminder of the preciousness of our own planet, a blue oasis teeming with life in the cosmic desert. The vibrant ecosystems, the diverse forms of life, and the intricate web of interactions that sustain our world are unique in the known universe. Venus, with its inhospitable environment, underscores the rarity and value of Earth's biosphere. As we continue to explore our solar system and beyond, Venus will always hold a special place in our hearts and minds. The missions to Venus, past and future, are not just about scientific discovery, they are about understanding our place in the cosmos. Each piece of data collected, each image sent back, adds to our knowledge and appreciation of the universe we inhabit. It is a world of contrasts, a place of both wonder and warning, and its story is far from over. The lessons we learn from Venus extend beyond planetary science. They touch on the broader themes of resilience, adaptation, and the quest for knowledge. As we gaze at the night sky and see Venus shining brightly, we are reminded of the enduring mysteries that await us and the endless possibilities that lie ahead.